How to edit the footer in Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to go to our browser and log in to our Shopify admin. Now here in the left hand panel, go to your online store section and here go to themes. Now we are just going to view our store and I will show you where to locate your footer. So let's scroll down. So basically, the footer is located in the lowermost section of your Shopify store. And here you can actually see a lot of information, basically. So the footer is just like the counterpart of your header. Now let's go back to our theme section and let's go to our navigation section here under online stores. As you can see, we have our menus right here. So menus or link lists help customers navigate around your online store. So here, as you can see, we have the footer menu. You could also add a menu. However, I'm just going to edit my footer menu in order for me to customize my footer. Now here, you can actually see products. However, I'm going to edit that one. Click on the edit button. Now, in the right hand section, we can edit our menu item. Now I just place about us in the name, and then for the link, it will route us to our homepage once clicked. Also, I'm going to edit the Facebook section right here, and instead I'm gonna put contact us. Now here for the link, I'm going to simply add the homepage as well. Now let's apply the changes. Let's add another menu item. So here I'm gonna input Facebook and I'm just gonna simply paste my Facebook link right here and simply add. Another option that I can do or simply add, I'm gonna make this a subheading, by the way, under contact us. Now here I'm gonna add another subheading, which is email. Now here I'm just gonna put mail to and then colon your email address. Alright. Now there it will redirect the person to mail to your mail. Now I'm gonna add another menu item. And in here, I'm going to input our story. So here we're going to click on not the home page, but instead our blogs. And then under blogs, we can have news right here. Or let's go to blog posts instead. So there's no result. So let's go to our pages section and here. So there, and let's add. Okay, now once done editing the menu items, you can actually save your menu and the changes will be saved basically. Now let's go to our theme section. And here we are going to simply customize our footer this time. Click on the customize button and then you will be routed to the edit page of your theme section. Now here under the sections, let's go to our footer and let's change the color scheme of the footer section. Now another thing that you can actually navigate is you can actually navigate on the payment methods, the links, on what you want to add onto your footer. Now here under theme settings, you could also add your Facebook application, a heading, your Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and the likes. Now here, let's add a section. So here you could actually add your email sign up, featured review carousel, and even apps. Let's add a block under footer. Here, I'm gonna add the menu that I have created a while ago, or I have edited a while ago. As you can see, you have your footer menu there. Alright. You can actually duplicate that one, move to previous position, and the likes. Now here, you could also change your menu if you would want to. However, of course, it will defeat the purpose if we change our menu item um, and we change it basically. So I have already edited that one a while ago. But you can actually simply do that one as well if you want to add another menu item or create another menu item. All right. And that's about it. So basically, the next thing that you're going to do is to save the changes. Now, let's take a look at how it looks like in our mobile view. All right, so in our mobile view, you can see this. And let's save. All right. So let's try to exit from our editor page and let's view if our changes have been saved. Now let's view the store and let's scroll down until we reach the footer section. Alright, so as you can see, our links has been added. So if you click on those links, it will basically navigate you to the page where you have linked it to. Under our story, you can go to the page where you linked it to and contact us. You will be routed to your homepage basically. One more. Alright. So now, let me tell you why editing the footer section of a Shopify store is important. So basically, the first reason is because of branding. So the footer section is a prominent area of a website that appears on every page, and it provides an opportunity to reinforce your brand identity. Second is for navigation. Of course, we don't want to hassle our customers by, navigating it very difficult, or, to have a shop that's very difficult to navigate on. So we want convenience for our customers basically. Next is for legal compliance. So the footer is a common location for displaying legal information such as copyright notice, disclaimers, and compliance statements. So it is to ensure that your store is compliant with relevant laws and regulations such as data privacy laws, consumer protection laws, and intellectual property rights. Another is to build trust and credibility. A well-designed and professionally edited footer can enhance the trust and credibility of your store by including relevant information such as contact details, customer reviews, and security badges. Now the last is your user experience. So the footer is an important part of the overall user experience of your store, and it provides an additional point of reference for customers to find information they may be seeking, such as links to your FAQ page, customer support, or other relevant pages. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed.